The World Cup is finally here, and if you're anything like me, watching a massive tournament like this on a standard TV just doesn't cut it. You need to see every play on a massive stadium-sized screen. That's why today I'm partnering with TCL to check out the brand new TCL Projector PlayCube. From what I've seen so far, this is easily the brightest, most flexible portable projector. In this video, we'll put it to the test to see if it's the ultimate game day upgrade. Let's go ahead and get started. The standout feature here has to be the design. Normally, setting up a portable projector takes me about 20 minutes or even more just trying to get everything dialed in. The PlayCube completely changes that. Because of its 90-degree rotating cube design, you get full 360-degree projection freedom. You can place it on almost any flat surface, project at a sharp angle, or even flip it straight up onto the ceiling without needing a tripod or a stack of books. To make it even easier, it utilizes real-time adaptation technology powered by dual sensors. While most portable projectors out there can require tedious adjusting to dial everything in, the PlayCube instantly handles autofocus, automatic keystone correction, obstacle avoidance, and automatic screen alignment to give you a perfectly sharp rectangular image in just 2 seconds flat. It's hands down one of the quickest, most hassle-free setups that I've ever tested. That brings us to what actually powers this visual experience, the Pure Light engine, making this the absolute brightest mini projector in its class. The PlayCube pushes out an impressive 750 ISO lumens using Osram's latest generation 3-color LED technology, giving you more environmental freedom. You don't have to wait for pure darkness outside to get a watch party going, and indoors you can absolutely leave some table lamps on to keep a cozy ambiance without washing out the image. I can even watch matches during the day with ambient light filtering into the room, and everything still looks incredibly sharp and vivid. But it's not just about raw brightness, the picture quality here is genuinely next level. Most standard mini projectors on the market cut corners by using a tiny 0.23-inch chip, which leads to blurry pixel gaps during fast player movements. The PlayCube, however, packs a premium Texas Instruments 0.33-inch DMD chip that delivers up to twice the structural clarity paired with an all-glass lens for pristine image retention. Backed by TCL's 44-year of TV-level professional picture tuning expertise, this engine covers a massive 124% Rec.709 color gamut for 100% true-to-life color reproduction. Best of all, it's completely free of that annoying laser speckle, producing a much softer, eye-friendly light source. You can see the difference when I zoom in on the image. The fast-paced action of the World Cup looks fluid and lifelike, but it also beautifully handles the deep, crushing shadows of high-contrast movies like The Dark Knight, as well as the rich, vibrant environments of Jurassic World, plus that extra clarity and smooth processing make it an absolute blast for big screen gaming. When you want to take the entertainment completely off-grid, that's where the PowerFlow engine comes into play, delivering the longest battery life in its class. The PlayCube comes equipped with a massive high-density 67.19 watt-hour battery built right into the frame, giving you up to 3 full hours of uninterrupted playback on a single charge. TCL managed to hit this threshold because the efficient 0.33-inch DMD chip actually reduces overall power consumption by 30%, meaning you can easily get through a massive movie, a backyard camping session, or a full 90-minute soccer match with pre-game coverage without worrying about finding an outlet. Even when you do run low on juice, the recharge metrics are incredibly fast. It ships with a high-impact 100-watt GaN fast-charging adapter that can blast an hour-and-a-half of runtime back into the projector in just 30 minutes flat. Because it uses standard Type-C power delivery, that same compact brick pulling double duty can instantly fast-charge your phone, laptop, or tablet on the go. And if your phone starts dying mid-game while you're streaming outside, the PlayCube's hardware allows it to act as an emergency power bank, reverse charging your mobile devices directly from the projector's internal battery so the stream never stops. The PlayCube is the world's first mini projector with built-in Gemini AI, making this one the easiest to control projectors. Instead of dealing with clunky traditional menus or typing with a basic remote, Gemini allows for advanced semantic interaction through natural fluid conversation. You can easily discover new content, ask complex questions, or get real-time news updates effortlessly. But what I think is a killer feature for home aesthetics is its content creation capability. You can actually use Gemini to generate custom AI artwork on the fly and display it on your wall, instantly transforming your living space with dynamic high-tech digital decor. Unlike cheaper projectors that require an external streaming stick or uncertified workarounds, The PlayCube is officially certified by Google TV and Netflix right out of the box. This gives you native instant access to over 10,000 curated titles and streaming apps, combined with integrated Google Assistant for full voice control. Navigating your media library here is incredibly fast and intuitive. When you're moving a projector from the living room to the backyard, it has to be portable, well-connected, and durable enough to handle real-world use. This entire package is packed into a compact 1.4-liter, 2.8-pound body built specifically to go anywhere. I can easily slip this into my backpack and take it with me. To protect that hardware, TCL engineered a die-cast aluminum alloy frame that's 5 times stronger than ordinary plastic. It provides major impact resistance, meaning the core functions remain completely intact even after a 1-meter drop. It also houses a proprietary triple-chamber turbo cooling system, which delivers 1.5 times greater airflow for higher efficient heating dissipation, keeping the projector running perfectly cool while maintaining an incredibly quiet sound profile of just 26 decibels. Connectivity is just as seamless. It features dual-band Wi-Fi and a dual IR and Bluetooth remote setup to ensure smooth, lag-free streaming for games and 4K movies. On the back, you get full physical flexibility with an HDMI port, a USB port, a 3.5mm audio jack, and Type-C charging. Audio is also fully covered right out of the box with built-in 5-watt Dolby Digital sound powered by a Texas Instruments digital chip, so you get full immersive audio without needing an external speaker. At the end of the day, if you want a massive screen experience for the World Cup or movie nights without the usual setup headaches, the TCL Projector PlayCube is an absolute game changer. It stands out as the brightest and most flexible mini projector in its class, delivering incredible picture quality and off-grid performance anywhere you take it. If you want to grab one for yourself, make sure to check the video description below for limited time offers. You can also search TCL Projector on Amazon to explore their full lineup and find the perfect match for your setup. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.